my beautiful pear tree that gets pruned by my son each year.
What are you doing today, Maureen?
Looks like a bit of a bonsai tree. Well, it's that time of the year when the pears start dropping down onto the ground, and so we need to get them picked. So when I got home from my trip the other day, the ground was just littered with pears, and some of the rats were starting to eat some of the unripened ones. But I just wanted to take you through on how to tell when it's time to pick your pears, because a lot of people have no idea. They think, let them ripen, and they're all dropping down to the ground, and that's basically telling you it's time to pick the pears. So there are none here on the ground that I have, because we did get them all up. Some of them were salvageable, so which is great. We still have some up top, and I do have a fruit picker that I can get them, which I will be doing. All of these ones in this area, that I could reach, and we did some with the picker the other day. So here we have a medium okay pear, and basically what you do is you come to the pear and you lift it up, and just like that, it popped off. This was ready to be picked. Here's another one. So basically you turn it when you lift it up. So this one is not quite ready, but I'm going to pull him off anyway. As a demonstration, your pear is like this, hanging, and then when you pick it up, it snaps off, and that tells you that this is a ready pear. And I just love how great my pears are looking this year. When I first bought my house 10 years ago, the pear tree was there, and the pears were not in the greatest shape. And they were, gnarly, just not healthy looking. Each spring, my son does an amazing pruning job. So I know that's part of it on why we're getting such gorgeous looking pears. And I've actually got quite a few that are even bigger than this. Wow. But one key to the success of my pear tree, wood chips. So there are at least 3 passes of wood chips in here. So they've been breaking down and turning into great composted soil and feeding this beautiful tree. So that is how you tell when your pears are ripe and ready. I still need to bring out my fruit picker and be able to get the ones that are up on the top, which I am seeing that those are much, much larger. But today is another tomato picking day, so I need to get the tomatoes before I get the pears because they're still on the tree. So here is the 50 pounds of pears that we picked so far. And these ones are the ones that had already started ripening, so we will be able to process those ones fairly shortly. But these ones here, they are ripening fairly quickly too, along with the 5 pounds of tomatoes that I picked instead of picking the pears. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care. God bless.